Hello friends, how are you and welcome back my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show Nokia 6.1 Plus overview. Nokia 6.1 Plus with aluminum frame design is encased in Corning Gorilla Glass, taking up approximately 93% of the phone's luxuriously curved surface for the ultimate feel in your hand. The XL version offers some of the best features of its pint-sized predecessor with upgraded specs and a larger display. Its price in Pakistan isn't yet announced, but shall soon be updated on the website. Nokia 6.1 Plus display. Nokia 6.1 Plus is almost all screen on the front with a large and immersive 5.8-inch LCD capacitive touchscreen and IPS display. It is packed with a resolution of 1080 by 2280 pixels, which offers a grand visual experience. It has a screen-to-body ratio of 81.5%. which instantly snaps you into a deep media-consuming trance. It has got 19:9 aspect ratio, which enables it to fit easily in the grip of your hand and displays a range of 16 colors at 432 ppi density to deliver the best color quality. The build quality is pretty premium with its excellent dimensions that include a 8 width and 151 grams weight, which further add to the smartphone's good looks and aesthetics. On the front and back side, it is fully covered with the scratch-resistant glass and aluminum frame. It is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 3, which serves as a protective window for your smartphone. It also comes packed with dual SIM slots for dual network usage. The handset also features the multi-touch system which supports multiple functioning. Next is camera. The dual 16-megapixel and 5-megapixel cameras are both optically stabilized, and have f/2.0 and f/2.4 apertures. When you shoot though, the AI recognizes objects and scenes within the photo and then adapts settings to enhance the picture. On the front is a 16-megapixels AI-enhanced 3D camera which features a wide aperture of f/2.0. In addition, this device has HDR imaging technology, which gives crisper and sharper images when capturing and sharing your images. The Eye's technology provides a stable visual effect. Power-packed camera features include HDR, panorama and a dual-tone LED flash, which immaculately improves an already blistering primary camera sensor. It can also record the footage at 1080p at 30 fps quality. Next is performance. Nokia 6.1 Plus does all its thinking with the cutting-edge Qualcomm SDM636 Snapdragon 636 octa-core processor clocked at 1.8 GHz, and delivers stunning graphics, industry-leading performance and enhances battery efficiency. This device comes coupled with two memory variants, 6GB and 4GB RAM and 64GB and 32GB internal capacity with storage expansion up to 400GB via micro SD card. On the software front, the device runs on Android 8.1, Oreo, and Android One brings a Google-designed software experience to the phone. Next is battery and connectivity. The Nokia 6.1 Plus comes with a 3060 mAh Li-ion battery. It will render good backup for a moderate user. It is provided with a quick charging v3.0 which will refill the powerless time. For the connectivity, the device has 4G VoLTE support. Other connectivity options include Wi-Fi 802.11, mobile hotspot v5.0, a GPS etc. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.